Staying prepared doesn't mean crossing legal or ethical lines. In today's world, personal safety is about smart awareness and choosing tools that are effective, legal, and easy to carry. In this video, we're counting down 17 legal self-defense gadgets you can buy on Amazon, designed to help you stay protected at home, on the road, or while traveling. These gadgets range from discreet everyday carry tools to powerful deterrents that can give you critical seconds when it matters most. All of the products mentioned here are intended for lawful personal protection, and availability may vary depending on local regulations. Make sure to check your local laws before purchasing. Subscribe for more safety and gear content, and find all product links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Hidden Belt Knife. The hidden belt knife offers discreet protection by disguising a sharp blade within a standard belt buckle. Designed for concealment, it provides quick access without drawing attention. The blade locks securely into place when deployed, and the buckle functions like a regular belt when not in use. This makes it ideal for users who want preparedness without visible gear. Practice is essential to ensure smooth deployment, but for subtle everyday carry, the hidden belt knife remains a popular option. Number 2. SINSEN Automotive Escape Tool. The SINSEN Escape Tool is designed for vehicle emergencies, combining a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, and flashlight in one compact unit. The tungsten steel tip shatters glass efficiently, while the razor-sharp blade cuts through jammed seatbelts. Its multi-mode, LED light, adds visibility during nighttime accidents or breakdowns. USB charging ensures convenience, and its compact form allows storage in a glove box or door pocket. For drivers, this tool provides peace of mind in unpredictable situations. Number 3. FunBro Multitool. The FunBro Multitool packs multiple functions into a compact stainless steel design. It includes a folding blade, glass breaker, screwdrivers, and carabiner clip, making it ideal for everyday carry and emergencies. Its rust-resistant construction ensures durability, while the lightweight build allows easy attachment to bags or belts. While the smaller tools aren't intended for heavy tasks, they're effective for quick fixes and emergencies. As a compact survival companion, the FunBro Multitool offers versatility without bulk. Number 4. TASER StrikeLight 2. The TASER StrikeLight 2 combines a high-intensity flashlight with stun capability, offering dual functionality in one rugged device. With 700 lumens of illumination, it's effective for visibility and threat identification in dark environments. The stun feature produces a loud warning arc, often enough to deter attackers before contact. Rechargeable and durable, it's designed for repeated use. The crenellated bezel adds another layer of defensive utility in close encounters. While battery management is important, its versatility makes it a popular choice for nighttime safety and everyday preparedness. Number 5. CRKT Provoke Knife. Inspired by traditional martial designs, the CRKT Provoke features a curved karambit-style blade optimized for close-quarters defense. Its innovative opening mechanism allows one-handed deployment, making it accessible even under stress. The 2.47-inch blade provides sharp cutting performance while remaining manageable for everyday carry. A secure finger ring and textured handle ensure grip stability, enhancing control during use. Lightweight construction adds comfort without sacrificing strength. Designed for urban defense and utility, the Provoke blends tradition with modern engineering. It's best suited for users familiar with blade safety and responsible handling. Number 6. Turbo S1 Crossbow. The Turbo S1 Crossbow delivers impressive performance in a compact form. Measuring just over 30 inches, it still achieves bolt speeds approaching 390 feet per second, making it powerful despite its size. Its precision scope, with illuminated aiming points, enhances accuracy in low-light conditions. The standout feature is its smooth trigger system, designed to reduce creep and improve shot consistency. Combined with advanced barrel design, it minimizes wear while maximizing efficiency. This makes it suitable for users seeking reliable performance without excessive bulk. While compact, it still requires training and legal compliance. For those who invest the time, the Turbo S1 offers a balance of portability, power, and precision. Number 7. Atomic Bear MTP6 Tactical Pen. The Atomic Bear MTP6 is more than a pen. It's a compact multi-purpose tool built from aircraft-grade aluminum. It functions as a smooth ballpoint pen while incorporating a reinforced tip for self-defense and glass breaking. Its discreet appearance allows it to be carried in professional or casual settings without concern. The pen's tungsten tip is designed for durability and effectiveness, while the ergonomic grip provides control under stress. It also includes a stylus for touchscreen use, adding everyday practicality. Unlike many tactical pens, the MTP6 is shorter and more comfortable for daily carry. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this pen is ideal for users who want subtle preparedness without sacrificing functionality. It's a reliable companion that blends seamlessly into daily life. Number 8. TenPoint Nitro 505. The TenPoint Nitro 505 is a high-performance crossbow built for power and precision. With arrow speeds reaching 505 feet per second, it delivers incredible velocity, making it one of the fastest crossbows available. Advanced engineering ensures accuracy at extended ranges, supported by precision optics and noise reduction technology. Designed primarily for hunting, its stopping power and build quality make it a serious piece of equipment. The integrated cocking system enhances safety and ease of use, allowing controlled operation even for experienced users. Extensive durability testing ensures reliability over thousands of shots. However, its power comes with a learning curve. Beginners may find the speed challenging to control without practice. For those trained and legally permitted, the Nitro 505 represents the upper end of personal defense and survival capability. Number 9. Streetwise Pain Pen. The Streetwise Pain Pen disguises a powerful self-defense tool in a familiar form. Appearing as a standard pen, it delivers a high-voltage stun charge capable of disorienting an attacker on contact. The compact design allows it to be carried in a pocket, bag, or clipped to clothing without raising suspicion. A simple test spark can often deter threats before physical contact is made. The pen also includes a rechargeable battery with a status indicator, ensuring it's ready when needed. For users who prioritize discretion, this design offers peace of mind without advertising its purpose. As with all stun devices, it's intended for close-range use and should be handled responsibly. Proper awareness and practice are essential, but for discreet everyday carry, the Pain Pen stands out as a practical option. Number 10. RNS Star Paracord Knife Bracelet. This Paracord knife bracelet combines survival utility with discreet protection. Worn on the wrist, it features a hidden stainless steel blade integrated into the clasp, along with high-strength paracord capable of supporting significant weight. The blade is small but sharp, making it suitable for emergency cutting or last-resort defense. The paracord itself can be unraveled and used for shelter building, securing gear, or first aid applications. This dual functionality makes it particularly appealing for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency preparedness kits. Because it looks like a standard bracelet, it doesn't attract unwanted attention. While the blade size limits its defensive capability, its accessibility and concealment are its strengths. In unexpected situations, having a cutting tool literally on your wrist can make all the difference. Number 11. Aztec Death Whistle. The Aztec Death Whistle may look like a novelty, but its effect is anything but harmless. Capable of producing a terrifying scream exceeding 100 decibels, this small ceramic instrument is designed to shock, disorient, and draw attention instantly. The sound closely resembles a human's scream, which can cause hesitation or panic in potential attackers. Historically inspired, the whistle's precision-engineered chamber amplifies airflow into a chilling shriek that carries over long distances. Unlike electronic alarms, it requires no batteries and works instantly in any environment. This makes it especially reliable for outdoor activities, hiking, or travel. While it doesn't physically incapacitate, the psychological impact is significant. In many situations, creating confusion and alerting others is enough to stop a threat. Lightweight and legal in most areas, the Aztec death whistle is a simple but effective personal safety tool. Number 12. Pocket Shot. The pocket shot is a modern twist on the traditional slingshot, offering impressive power in a compact circular design. Its high-tension latex pouch allows it to fire steel or plastic projectiles at speeds reaching up to 350 feet per second, making it one of the most powerful pocket-sized projectile tools available. What makes the pocket shot stand out is its portability. The circular frame fits easily into a pocket or bag, and reloading is straightforward. Optional accessories like speed loaders increase efficiency, making it practical even under stress. The enclosed pouch design also improves accuracy compared to traditional forked slingshots. While it requires practice to master, the pocket shot can serve as a deterrent or survival tool when distance matters. Users should be mindful of local laws regarding projectile weapons, but for legal areas it offers a unique combination of power, concealment, and versatility. Number 13. Palm Pistol. The palm pistol is an innovative option designed specifically for individuals with limited hand strength or mobility. Its ergonomic grip and palm-activated firing mechanism allow it to be operated with minimal dexterity, making it accessible to users who struggle with traditional firearms. Compact and lightweight, it's designed for close-range personal defense while remaining easy to conceal. This firearm features a multi-round cylinder housed in a compact frame, offering more capacity than its size might suggest. The intuitive design reduces the need for precise finger movement, allowing users to focus on aim and situational awareness. For those with physical limitations, this can be a significant advantage. That said, proper training and legal compliance are critical. While the palm pistol offers accessibility, it still requires responsible ownership and familiarity with local firearm laws. For the right user, it represents a thoughtful blend of inclusivity and personal safety innovation. Number 14. Tactical Hair Clips. Tactical hair clips redefine discreet self-defense by blending everyday fashion with functional utility. Made from stainless steel, these clips double as personal safety tools while still serving their primary purpose of securing hair. Their pointed tip and reinforced edges allow them to function as pressure tools in close contact situations, offering a way to create distance or break free. Beyond self-defense, many designs include multi-tool features such as small rulers, screwdrivers, wire strippers, or cutting edges. This makes them particularly useful for travelers, hikers, or anyone who appreciates compact gear. Because they resemble standard hair accessories, they don't draw attention and can be carried in places where traditional self-defense tools may not be allowed. However, comfort matters. Some users with thick hair report snagging if the edges aren't smoothly finished, so choosing a well-designed model is important. When used responsibly, tactical hair clips offer a subtle but effective layer of preparedness, especially for those who prioritize concealment and everyday practicality. Number 15. Foldable Sickle Tool. The foldable sickle tool is one of the more unconventional gadgets on this list, but its unique design gives it a distinct advantage in certain situations. Featuring a curved stainless steel blade, this tool folds into a compact form for safer storage and portability. When deployed, the hooked blade shape provides enhanced cutting leverage, making it effective for both utility tasks and emergency defense scenarios. The razor-sharp edge allows it to slice through rope, fabric, and other materials with ease, while the folding mechanism helps protect your hand when not in use. Many users appreciate its versatility, as it can function as a gardening tool, emergency cutter, or last resort defensive option. The handle offers a firm grip, helping maintain control even under pressure. That said, this tool is best suited for users who understand its limitations. It's not designed for heavy chopping or prolonged combat use, but rather for quick, decisive actions when escape is the priority. Its unusual appearance may also attract curiosity, so responsible handling and storage are essential. Used correctly, the foldable sickle tool can be a surprisingly capable addition to a personal safety setup. Number 16. Gerber Gear KeyNote. The Gerber Gear KeyNote is proof that self-defense tools don't need to look intimidating to be effective. This compact keychain knife blends everyday utility with discreet protection, making it an ideal option for daily carry. Its 1-inch stainless steel blade is small but strong enough for cutting, scraping, and emergency tasks, while remaining legal in many regions where larger knives are restricted. What sets the KeyNote apart is its minimalist design. Built with durable aluminum scales, it feels solid in hand without adding bulk to your keys or pocket. The liner lock mechanism keeps the blade secure during use, and the nail nick allows for smooth, controlled opening. While it's not intended for heavy-duty defense, its sharp blade and quick accessibility make it a practical last-resort option in close-range situations. Beyond self-defense, the KeyNote excels as an everyday tool for opening packages, trimming cord, or handling minor tasks on the go. Its low-profile appearance means it won't draw attention, making it especially appealing for users who value subtlety and convenience alongside preparedness. Number 17. Saber Stun Gun 3-in-1 Safety Tool. The Saber 3-in-1 Safety Tool is designed for users who want maximum deterrence in a compact and easy-to-use device. It combines a high-voltage stun capability, a 115 decibel personal alarm, and a built-in flashlight into one handheld unit. The stun feature is intended for close-range defense, delivering a powerful electrical charge that can disorient an attacker long enough for you to escape. Even without physical contact, activating the device produces a loud crackling sound that often serves as an immediate psychological deterrent. What makes this tool especially practical is the integrated alarm system. With a piercing 115 decibel siren audible from hundreds of feet away, it draws attention quickly in emergencies, which can discourage threats and alert others nearby. The flashlight adds another layer of utility, providing visibility in dark parking lots, hallways, or during nighttime walks. Designed with a wrist strap and compact grip, the Saber tool stays secure in your hand under stress. While it does require close proximity to be fully effective, its multifunction design makes it a well-rounded option for everyday personal safety. Personal safety is never about fear. It's about preparation, awareness, and smart choices. The gadgets we covered today offer a wide range of options, from discreet everyday carry tools to powerful deterrents designed to give you precious seconds when it matters most. No single tool is perfect for every situation, which is why understanding your environment, comfort level, and local laws is just as important as the gear itself. Remember, self-defense tools are most effective when paired with situational awareness and responsible use. Take time to practice with any device you choose, understand its limitations, and always prioritize de-escalation when possible. These tools are designed to help you escape danger, not seek it out. If you found this list helpful, let us know which gadget stood out to you in the comments. Your feedback helps shape future content and ensures we continue bringing you relevant, practical gear guides. All product links are available in the description, so you can explore each option in more detail at your own pace. Don't forget to subscribe for more self-defense gear reviews, survival tools, and everyday carry essentials. Staying informed is one of the most powerful forms of protection. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.